When Joseph Smith was a young boy, he wanted to follow Jesus Christ. But he didn't know which church was true. He was reading the Bible, and one of the scriptures said to ask God. Can you find the Bible that Joseph Smith was reading? Joseph Smith went into the woods near his house to pray and ask God which church to join. And then a miracle happened. Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ appeared to Joseph Smith. They told him not to join any of the churches, and they told him lots of other things. Can you find Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ? Later, Heavenly Father called Joseph Smith to be a prophet. Joseph Smith translated the Book of Mormon by the power of God. Joseph printed the Book of Mormon so that lots of other people could read it, and he shared it with everyone and taught them about Jesus Christ. Can you find the Book of Mormon that Joseph printed? God commanded Joseph to restore Jesus Christ's church to the earth. The Whitmer Farm in New York is the place where the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints was first organized. Can you find the Whitmer farmhouse? The priesthood was restored through the prophet Joseph Smith. God sent John the Baptist to give the Aaronic priesthood to Joseph Smith and Oliver Cowdery. Can you find Oliver Cowdery? Later, God commanded Joseph Smith to build temples and to restore temple ordinances to the earth. The first temple to be completed was in Kirtland, Ohio. Can you find the Kirtland Temple? Joseph Smith was a prophet of God and a disciple of Jesus Christ. He lived great, and he died great in the eyes of God and his people.
Kanga Toys is proud to sponsor this video. Use the code LatterdayKids10 to get 10% off your order.